The Daniel Pearl case is a window into several serious issues that have relevance today to U.S. foreign policy and America's war in Afghanistan. First, it shows us the nexus between the Pakistani militancy and al-Qaeda. The kidnapping and murder of Danny Pearl was a multifaceted, at times chaotic conspiracy involving, ultimately, 27 men with affiliation including the Pakistani militant groups and al-Qaeda. Members of at least 3 different militant groups took part in the crimes, according to police, including a team of kidnappers led by British Pakistani Umar Sheikh and a team of killers led by al-Qaeda strategist Khalid Sheikh Mohammed. Secondly, the case provides us a window into the interconnected nature of militancy in the Afghanistan-Pakistan region. For example, militants were trained in camps along the Afghanistan-Pakistan border. Many of them had their roots in the heart of Pakistan in the Punjab province, and they found safe haven in Karachi. Finally, we learn about the problems of rule of law in Pakistan. Of the 27 men allegedly involved in the crime, 4 were convicted of the kidnapping and murder of Daniel Pearl. 5 have died, 4 have been detained or are missing, and 14 are free, some of whom have been acquitted on other charges. The question remains, was justice served?